Hey, what is up, guys? Me, Jason here, back again for another video. Now, I know that today, in the past few, days, I haven't been uploading, but that is because I've been trying to look up a glitch for this new game that I just bought. Okay, so if y'all know MADOUT, you should probably download the game. It's a really fun game. So, I have the current glitch right now. I currently have the glitch, and if you don't see here, don't look at my nickname. I just have a bunch of shit stocked up. I just have almost 2 billion coins currently and about 2 billion diamonds. So I looked up this glitch and I figured out how to do it only because my friend told me about this glitch. So if it weren't for my friend, no, I'm not gonna give him a shout out. Oh yeah, it's actually good. That goes well. Okay, time to get into the actual glitch. Wait, if I change... Okay, no, we can go back to this video. Wait, is that the Grinch? Yes! Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to change my character. That is the Grinch. Yo! No fucking way, dude. That is cool. Oh my god, bro. You're a mean one. Senior Grinch. That is actually awesome. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna change my character. I'll fast forward in this. Back. And if you guys don't see this lit ass car, I'm just gonna get into the glitch. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do is you need the game for this. So right now I only have the glitch game. So you're gonna want to go onto the App Store and search up MADOUT2 and download the game. So what you're going to do after that, you're going to want to wait, hold on, I just have to close out Safari. Okay, so what you're going to want to do now is go on to Safari and go on to Panda Help. .vip right here. PandaHelp.vip. So now what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to want to download the regular version. Regular is up at the top right here. You download this. And now what you're going to want to do is when you download it, which I have it currently right here, you're going to want to go into this and search out MADOUT2 hack. You have to search up these exact words or else it won't show up. Watch. Yeah, see, it doesn't show up if you actually just search it up like that. You have to search it up the exact way. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your settings and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go into general and go into device management and click on whatever's here. So you're going to want to verify Panda Helper, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to if that shows up, that means that it's verified. So at first you're probably going to see something like user something, I don't care. But mine took a little while to download. It took about a day, so I just deleted it and then downloaded the full game. And then for some reason, when I clicked on the game, I got out, and then for some reason it was here. So if that doesn't work, you might have to wait a little while. So now you go onto the game, and you have to buy stuff first. You have to buy stuff, and then the diamonds, if you don't see the diamonds, you have to buy stuff that worth diamonds. So at first you'll start off with 60,000 coins, and then as soon as you buy something, it should go up. So, yeah, I'm gonna go upload this video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm just gonna show you guys footage of me actually playing the game. So, this is 100% real. I actually have the car, I actually have my character, you can actually drive shit around. But I didn't tell you guys that you can't actually, there's no cops and you can't actually go into like first person mode and shit. They're working on it currently. I just bought every car in the game. So, you can also buy this for, I'm pretty sure you can buy this for PlayStation. You can, also buy this, I'm pretty sure for I'm pretty sure you can buy this for PC, PS4, Xbox One, I don't know. But, hold on, do people still react when I hit them? They do. Cool. Now I'm just gonna destroy my whole entire vehicle. Your turn. Drive, bitch, drive. That guy not okay, I thought that he didn't die. There is no snipers in this game. That's what I just realized. Okay. So, as you can tell, I actually bought, like, literally every single car in the game. I own every car. Legit, I own every car. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. I will see you guys in the next one.